How you doing, U Club members? I want you to welcome to my pain cave here. This is Coach Chris. I thought it'd be really good to talk a little bit about some indoor training options for your bike. In case you don't have a stationary bike or a Peloton, you can buy an indoor trainer. And I do happen to have a couple indoor trainers, two options, a lot of bikes too. This is where I do a lot of my indoor riding during the winter time and on the weekends. First here we got the fluid trainer. So basically, if you have a bike, you can hook your bike right up to the trainer. And it's a fluid trainer because in the drive here, there's fluid, and that's what creates the resistance against the back wheel. All you do is hook your own bike up to it. You'll need a trainer skewer. Some of the trainers do come with skewers. If you have a bike that you bought in the last couple of years, you might have what they call a through axle, in which case you'll need a special through axle skewer, which you can buy. It's about $55. But they do come with the trainer sometimes, and sometimes you just have to buy it separately. So we have the fluid inside the trainer here. You hook your own bike up to it, tighten up the resistance wheel, make sure that your wheel is not slipping, and then you're ready to get on and ride. The cool thing about these trainers is that you can take your bike off of it afterwards. The trainer itself folds up. You can tuck it away in the corner. So if you do live in a small apartment, you can pull it out, ride, and then take it apart and store everything, and then have your apartment back to normal. This trainer is a Kurt Kinetic fluid trainer. Cyclops is another brand. They run about $300 and is definitely the cheaper of the indoor trainers. The other thing new in the trainer industry is the direct drive trainer. So if you notice on my bike, my rear wheel is not on. I am hooked up directly to the rear cassette here, which is on the trainer itself. And on my wife's bike, we have the tire is still on. So this is called direct drive. It's a Bluetooth and ANT capabilities, and I can control the resistance of the wheel a bunch of different ways. They have erg mode, so in biking we can control our wattage, our power output. So I can control the power output by staying in the same gear, making the resistance easier or harder through my phone, or I can ride it like a fluid trainer and use my gearing on my bike to shift to make it harder. These trainers also hook up to your computer, and you can ride some programs called like Go Zwift, things like that, which you have an avatar, which can make it a little bit more fun. But both of these trainers are great options. This trainer will run anywhere from $800 to $1,300, so it's definitely a significant cost with the direct drive smart trainers, we call them. And the fluid trainers are definitely cheaper, the options. And since things are going to be closed down for a little longer than we think, this might be the way to go if you do have a bike and you're looking to get some indoor workouts. If you have any questions, you can definitely email me. I'll make sure that, or you can Insta message me too, because I'll make sure that this gets up on the U Club Instagram page. But I thought it'd be great to talk a little bit about some other options if you do have a bike in your apartments. So thank you for tuning in, and we'll stay in touch.